In this video, we are going to talk about transitions and how you can add them to your clips or your videos or your pictures or anything that you are doing in Davinci Resolve. So in order to add transitions or effects to your clip, all you have to do is to come to the effects tab. So you click on the effects and then you come to video transitions. So if I want to use the crossfade, all I have to do is to come in here and then I can add it to it, and then yeah, I have my crossfade. When I click on this, when I come to the inspector tab, there's going to be a transition window that's open. So in here I can set the duration of my transition. So when I set it to 0.6 seconds, it's going to fade it into this. All the types of transition we see in here, that's the same options that are in here, but in here is just in a list view. So when I set this, it's going to do that. When I set any of this, it's going to do that. The alignment is for me to set everything this way, or I can set it in the middle, I can set it at the end. Some transitions don't come with presets, some are just default. So when I take this preset like this, you can see that there are other options in here whereby I can either choose to make the door band go horizontal or it goes vertical. And then there are other options that you can play around to get a suitable transition for your video. So you can keep playing around with this to see what works best for you. So you can even move this to the side for the transition to happen. So yeah, so all this is a way to also find what you want. So you can change the rotation, and then it's going to have all kinds of stuff. Don't forget to hit the reset button when you feel I have really messed up this transition, bro. This transition, and you'll be fine.